To the forecast winds, they were strong out there today. We definitely had some gusts out around the city, and we're still seeing that right now. Those sustained winds from the southwest into the 16-mile-per-hour range, 15, 20-mile-per-hour range. So definitely a little windy. Henderson, calm. Last report, not seeing any wind, but we got some winds around across the whole city. Take a look at your gust map. Look at the colors off to the north of Vegas. You see the purples? Definitely stronger winds right now to our north, but winds are going to be around the next several hours. You can see those gusts sitting in the 20s and 30s across the city. We do have a high fire danger in effect until 8 o'clock tonight, and also a wind advisory in effect tonight until midnight because of these strong winds. That's for Las Vegas. We've got a high fire danger in effect through tomorrow, actually, for Arizona as those winds stay stronger, and we see these dry conditions across the area just linger over the next several days. Temperature sitting at 99 right now, Las Vegas, 100 North Las Vegas. We did hit 100 today. Temperatures dropped back a little bit with those winds, but still very warm, but for this time of year, decent outside. Just take the winds out of the equation, not a bad day. 106 down in Laughlin, that current temperature. Allergy counts, hey, you know what? We're in that time of year. They're going to start lowering. And you can see we're not seeing anything in that moderate, in that low to moderate category right now. Tomorrow, very low counts, and especially by Monday. Sun rose 5:23 in the morning. We are at the earliest sunrise time of the year. The earliest is 5:22, so we're pretty much there. Sunset 7:57. We're going to get up to 8:01, so we're only going to add about 4 to 5 minutes of the daylight. And then we're going to start cutting those days a little shorter. But we all know that just means summer's going to last a while. It doesn't end just because the sun's going to be out shorter. Take a look at this. Last year to date, 9 days at 100. The warmest we saw was 105. Well, this year, hey, we're 1 day less. 8 days at 100 compared to last year. But we've had a warmer temperature to date, 107 so far here in Las Vegas. And take a look at the forecast. We got a couple of those in there as well. Tonight, actually, not too bad. 75 degrees Las Vegas, pretty close to the average, a little bit cooler than what we woke up to this morning because of these winds. 72 out in Summerlin, 71 Boulder City. Tomorrow, not a bad day. We're actually going to be right at average to a little below. 97, that forecast high. 105 Death Valley, 89 Alamo. Summerlin, 92 degrees, only 100, and that will be Whitney sitting right at that century mark. We're watching two systems. What an active Pacific. 3 days ago, nothing out there at all. Now we have two storms we're watching. One of them, Alita, is going to spin out to nowhere. The other one, which will become Hurricane Bud, is going to move awfully close to the Baja. If you know our weather pattern, when we see stuff like this, we keep an eye on this closely because that could change our weather come next weekend. Until then, though, no. Sunshine, warm temperatures, 107 Tuesday and Wednesday. Overnight lows once again in the 80s. Calmer conditions every day. We're not seeing much of a breeze at all until possibly Thursday. And that's when those changes could move in by next week and see the temperatures drop back and possibly some showers for next Saturday. We will fine-tune that forecast over the next several days.